Hey trendy babes, I am back with another video. It's a hair tutorial on how I achieve these medium size goddess locks using the rubber band method. Um, I'm not going to talk too much. We're going to get right into this tutorial and I hope you all enjoy. So as y'all can see, I'm taking 2 to 3 pieces of the Bohemian Freetress hair and I'm going to crochet that in and make sure that they are even. And then I'm taking 1 piece of the keep and twist Marley hair and I'm going to crochet that in. And then I'm just going to start wrapping that around really tightly. Also, when you're doing the rubber band method, I wouldn't have the rubber band so tight because when you start twisting it gets extra tighter and it's very uncomfortable. So I will make those make it a little loose so that when you start twisting it won't be so tight. So once I get towards the end of the braid, I like to take my little small flat iron and kind of melt the hair together so that they don't unravel and I don't have any issues with them coming loose at all when I do this method. So now that I am done braiding, I'm just going to go ahead and just trim up and trim some of the hair and kind of even it out a little bit and kind of like play around with it to see how I want to style it. So I forgot to show you all how long the locks were. I didn't make them too long. I didn't want them that long. So just enough to fit in a ponytail and achieve a high bun. And that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video.